This is my 3D printed water bomb shooter tank, which I will show you in this video. Let's see how it drives, and then we will take it apart and see what's inside. The original design was done by Tim Clark, which I will leave a link in the description with full credit. I obviously modified it a lot and I added my own part to it, but the original design will be linked in the description. Now let's take it apart and see what's inside. I left the batteries on the outside because they're rechargeable, so they are easier to replace. Also, I screwed everything together. That way, it's easier to take it apart in case I want to replace something or fix something that might break. This top part that I took from a different car that I purchased off Amazon, which I have a separate video about. And the water bomb shooter came from that other toy that I repurposed to fit on my tank here. I did 3D print most of these parts, but the original design was done by Tim Clark. Again, I will link in the description, and then I modified a couple things which I will also link. Here you can see I have a Raspberry Pi and 2 DC motor driver, and I'm driving this over Bluetooth using the Blue Dot API. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.